Hello and welcome back to the full review of the 2023 MSI Katana 15 that comes with RTX 4060. In the last video I said it comes with 115 watts, but actually it is 105 watts. So I apologize for that. So in today's video we'll have a benchmark for Cinebench, a 3D Mark, as well as Blender, and also we'll have some gameplay performance. Before we continue, I connected a 4K monitor to the HDMI 2.1 that delivers an output of 4K until 120 Hz. We'll go for a detailed performance test, as well as going to the temperature of the CPU and GPU, and at the end I'll give you my final verdict about this laptop. This laptop features an advanced Optimus, utilizing 3 modes for gaming and other modes that puts the stress on the external GPU, which is a unique feature. Let's check the performance of the Cinebench 15, multi-core and single-core performance. Now let's check the Blender test, that is Optimus RTX, which puts the load on ray tracing and see how full utilized it is. And now let's see the 3D Mark performance. So the temperature for the CPU reached 98 degrees, and there is no thermal throttling at all from the CPU, so it can handle 100 degrees without any thermal throttling. And for the GPU temperature, it reached 80 degrees when it is utilizing 98%. Let's check the performance of Far Cry 6. Cyberpunk at 4K, it delivers just 21 frames, which is really very boring. But at 1440p, it delivers 45 frames, which is really excellent. With DLSS 3 enabled and frame generation as well.
Data reconstruction in progress.
It's fascinating if you ignore the fact that they're always watching us.
This is my final verdict of the MSI Katana. So it has a unique value and performance in its class, and delivers a very excellent performance in gaming. But there is a letdown, to be honest, for the screen. If you are a video editor, you may need to add an extra IPS screen that has sRGB of 100. It really has a very unique typing experience with the new buttons layout. Also, the temperature development regarding the MSI is really enhanced and does not reach very high temperatures during casual gameplay or during casual work. But the letdowns are its below average LCD, low battery life with only 58 watt-hour battery, 4 cells, and also the lack of ports. So thanks indeed for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button and share the video with your friends.